Hi, my name is Miss Day.
I'm Miss Sarah.
And we're on the 4-year-old team. Yay! Today we're gonna be making snow globes. All right, so everything on the table you see came from the dollar store. We did get our baby oil from Walmart. Our jars are plastic, so children can help you make this. It does involve a hot glue gun, so parents, please supervise your children when it comes to that part. So first we're gonna open up our jars, and we're gonna start with some prosthetic snow. It can be found at your local dollar store. Just gonna pour in a little bit. Go ahead with your glitter. We have blue, we have silver, and some kind of white. You can pour a little bit of that in.
How much should I do? A lot?
Just a sprinkle.
Okay.
So then we're gonna go in with the baby oil. This will make it be beautiful and flutter and move. So you're just gonna put that much. You don't need that much. And just go ahead and swish it around. Mix it around. You can get a little view of how your glitter will be.
I almost got it, Miss Day. I'm sorry. Come on.
All right, that's enough.
All right, thank you.
All right, so we have a little thing of water. And it should be good right there. You don't want to fill it all the way.
Okay. Oh. Good? All right.
Yes, good. All right, so now let's move this out of the way. Close that. All right, you're gonna go ahead and get your hot glue gun. Put it to the bottom of your figures. Be careful not to burn your fingers. And let it sit. Do a test. You have a cute little setup. So after you're done with that, this does come off. So you want to add a little more glue so that it can stick too. And then just push it down. So let's go ahead and flip it upside down and screw it inside. So once you do get it screwed on, go over a sink and test it to see if you flip it, it won't leak. And once you do that, take your hot glue gun and just do a coat around just so that it's secured. And the little figurines came from the dollar store. There's 3 in a pack for $1. They're really nice and fun. And if you take a look, you have a snow globe. But, you know, it's great.
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!